Hey there, wordsmiths. This video is about the word impose. Impose. It's a verb, and it means to force something onto others. Kind of like how I impose my taste in music on you in these videos. You didn't ask for this, I just put it onto you, which is indeed what this word literally means in Latin. It comes from two parts, im or in, which can mean in or on, and ponere, which means to put. So let me impose my taste on you by giving you a 10-second music break, during which time I would like for you to list out as many words that contain im or pose as you can. Ready? Let's do it to it. All right, here are some I came up with earlier. Position, where you put something, where it's located. Impression, an impact, a dent. When you make a big impression, you're literally saying you pressed into something, like a big impression in the sand or the snow. Figuratively, it's an idea that occurs to you as easily as making a dent in sand. Oppose, right? This word means to be against something, to put yourself against it. Anyway, impose. It means to put something on someone, but it's not used literally. You wouldn't say, I imposed a bucket on Steve's head. Sorry, Steve, because you wouldn't do that. So I guess I'm not sorry, Steve, because that didn't happen. It has a figurative meaning, a non-literal meaning. Do you think the new principal will impose a ban on junk food? It's more like you're putting in a new rule. Another meaning of imposing is being impolite. It's a common expression to say, I don't want to impose. Right? I don't want to be an inconvenience. I don't want to waste your time, put myself in your way. You see, I don't want to impose, but could you look after my giant spider this weekend? You don't even need to walk her. Come on. She's so sweet. Her name is Spinjamin. Another form that this word can take, if we want to make it a noun, is imposition. It's a big imposition for me to look after this man-eating spider. Wordsmiths, I would never ask you to watch my giant spider, man-eating or otherwise, but I would impose on you by asking that you be so kind as to watch the next vocabulary video I make. You can learn anything. David out.